How to fix following list is hidden due to the user's privacy settings on TikTok. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So if you see following list is hidden due to the user's privacy settings on TikTok, it means that the user has made their following list private. So if you're trying to view someone else's following list, this is not an error. The user had chosen to hide their following list, and you cannot view their following list unless they change their privacy settings. So if you want to hide or show your own following list, you need to simply go ahead and open your TikTok application. From here, tap on the profile in the bottom, then tap on the three lines in the top and go to settings and privacy. From here, tap on privacy, scroll down and tap on the following list. And here you can see two different options of followers and only you. Because my account is private. If your account is public, you will get three different options of public or everyone, followers, and only you. If you select only me, you will be able to hide it. And if you tap on everyone, it will allow to show it to public. So if your TikTok following list is not showing, even when set to everyone, you can go ahead and log out and log back in and try clearing your TikTok cache. After that, update the TikTok application to the newest version from Play Store or App Store, and this will definitely help you fix the problems. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.